Welcome to the detailed XLM special analysis in the large, mobile-friendly style. We combine the 4-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, and now the monthly chart. Every price level is fully narrated in English, with no music. The parts are conditional scenarios and not trading advice. The reference price is 0.159 for US dollars on Coinbase and 0.1593 US dollars on Bitstamp. The values were checked on 13 August 2026, 13:48 Zurich time. The 4-hour change is minus 1.20%, the 24-hour change is minus 0.09%, and the 7-day change is minus 1.26%. The daily RSI is 27.3. On the 4-hour chart, the first decision area runs from 0.1582 US dollars below to 0.1776 US dollars above. Below 0.1582 US dollars, the risk of a test of 0.1498 US dollars increases. On the upside, price needs a confirmed close above 0.1776 US dollars, volume and a successful retest. The weekly chart shows the broader structure. On the downside, 0.1395 US dollars is an especially important level. On the upside, 0.2520 US dollars remains a major regime barrier. Only a weekly close above it and a successful retest would materially strengthen the long-term bullish path. The monthly chart is now included. It filters short-term noise and shows whether the larger cycle is actually changing. On the downside, 0.1395 US dollars remains a central monthly support. On the upside, 0.2520 US dollars must be cleared on a monthly closing basis and then confirmed as support. Only then do the more distant levels gain materially more technical weight. The first reaction level below is 0.1582 US dollars. Next comes 0.1498 US dollars, 0.1395 US dollars and 0.1362 US dollars. Together they form a possible reaction region. A bottom would still require a clear response, a higher low and reclaimed resistance. If 0.1362 US dollars also fails on a closing basis, the deeper historical reaction levels are 0.1200 US dollars, 0.1000 US dollars and 0.0750 US dollars. These levels describe risk. They are neither guaranteed targets nor claims of a bottom. On the upside, XLM must first reclaim 0.162 for US dollars. Next comes 0.1667 US dollars, 0.1776 US dollars and 0.1847 US dollars. A brief wick is not enough. A confirmed close, spot volume and a successful retest would provide stronger evidence. Above the first resistance group, the next levels are 0.1930 US dollars, 0.196 for US dollars, 0.2168 US dollars and 0.2520 US dollars. Above 0.2520 US dollars, the next levels are 0.2982 US dollars, 0.3347 US dollars, 0.3755 US dollars and 0.4140 US dollars. Only above them do 0.4716 US dollars, 0.5206 US dollars and the historical extreme near 0.7985 US dollars become more relevant. Every step requires its own confirmation. The distant levels are not automatically active now. For filters apply to every level. First, wait for a confirmed closing price. Second, spot volume and momentum must carry the move. Third, the retest must hold or clearly fail. Fourth, a higher low confirms bottoming better than a single fast spike. In summary, the reference price is 0.159 for US dollars. The first downside ladder is 0.1582 US dollars, 0.1498 US dollars, 0.1395 US dollars and 0.1362 US dollars. The first confirmation path upward is 0.162 for US dollars, 0.1667 US dollars, 0.1776 US dollars and 0.18 for 7 US dollars. Closing price, spot volume, the retest and a higher low matter most. This is scenario analysis and not trading advice.